me. I'm doing another adventure, the Phantom Portal hard mode with my friend Maya. She's here again. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, so I was just going down a slide, and then it gave me a really cool glitch. I don't know if it, AJHQ might patch it soon, but I am gonna record it, and I'm gonna show it to her too. What the heck, Maya? Hold on. Wait, I need to... No, it's not this one. Okay, okay. Go here, go here. Maya. So this is the beginning, and then you go down this slide first. Maya. And then you go down this side. Oh my god, it's so cool. And then it makes you start from the very corner, and then it keeps going, and then you pass a bunch of things. Oh look, there's a fox cave. I know! There's like a really light dark part, and then there's a dark part. I know! But then it brings you back to the place that you came from. It's so cool. Oh my gosh. Then you can move. It's really fun. Oh, hey! Hey! Oh my gosh, you're passing me. Oh my gosh, you're shaking. Oh my god, it's so funny. Oh my god, it is so funny. Okay, well I'm gonna... What? Okay. Okay, we need to find... No! Okay, oh sorry. We have to explore the whole thing too. I found another glitch. I don't know where I'm... I found another glitch! Oh my god! I don't know. Okay. Oh no, I went... I can't stop laughing. Yeah. I laughed so weird. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. All they're hearing is my laugh. Okay. Stop laughing. I keep going down the slide on accident. It won't let me get out. Oh my gosh. Okay. No, okay. I'm trying. Okay. Maya. Okay. I'm done laughing. Try to come down to where I am.
It's the one next to the other slide.
Really?
Yeah.
Why is this place filled with glitches? Oh my god! Oh, I know which slide I'm doing. That makes more sense. Oh my god.
So if you go to these...
Oh my freaking god. What?
Okay. Where are you?
What the heck? It keeps bringing me. Okay, well I'm in outer space right now.
I found one.
Yeah? Oh my god. Sorry guys. My dad came in and he's gonna pick up my I can't even move. It won't let me move. I don't think we can move it at all. I'm trying to the right now.
Oh my gosh, I can't.
I know, we can't even move. Okay, try not to get... I can't move. What? Okay. Oh my god. Okay. I know, we can't even move. We can't even finish the freaking adventure. Where's the trash can? Okay, I can't move at all. Which slide is it? The one that we're about to. Oh my god, your face! It's like. Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Did you pause the video?
No.
Guys,
We can't even move. Okay. Hey, look at that, look at that. I'm twerking it, I'm twerking. No, the koala looks like it's twerking when it's running. See? I'm sorry. Oopsie. Okay, should we like quit the adventure? No, there's a way out. I know it. I was trying to find the other alpha stone, but I couldn't. Really? The bunny's twerking? Let me say it. Well, it's kind of twerking. This glitch is getting really annoying. Okay. Once I went down a slide and then we couldn't get back into the adventure, and so we had to quit. Like, we went down the slide and it was black. We were able to move, but we were hold on, Mom's calling. Okay. Are we ever gonna get out of this? Okay. Should we quit the adventure now? I feel like we should quit the adventure now. Wait! Don't! Can't even move. I can't even move. I can't even move. Do you have any? Why'd you quit? You. Okay, I'm gonna quit now. Okay. Okie. It's been 8 minutes. Wow. That glitch is crazy. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's me. Doy. Hold on. Okay. Maya. The only nickname I like is Cheesecake. That's the only thing you could call me. And Angela. Yeah. Actually, don't call me that. I guess I only like it on Animal Jam. I know I love cheesecakes too. Wait, what? I know. I love New York cheesecake. Oh my god. Are we just gonna talk about cheesecakes? Okay. I'm bored. I'm really bored. Okay, let's, what do you want to do? I'm just gonna go in circles. Ooh, I'm gonna get some milk. Yeah, I like milk. I do with it. I like it. Yeah, I like warm milk. It's so yummy. With marshmallows and chocolate chips. Yeah, I love the milk. I just had melted chocolate chip cookies. Oh my god, they're so good. By Chips Ahoy. Okay. It's so weird. Let me get smoothie. I like strawberry smoothie. Okay. I know. No, you guys are bitches. What? Mario, why you say that? Hey, no! There's one side that's yours and one that's mine. Turn into an eagle, let's show them. I wish there's like a map of the Crystal Palace. Oh my god. I'm at the starting. Take the shortcut, turn into a land animal, and then you'll be here. Yeah, that's what I mean. Whenever I'm saying I took the shortcake, I meant to say I took the shortcut. Okay, anyway. I decorated the right part, and that's this. Oh yeah. Maya, do you want to change the portal and put it somewhere else? Because someone could accidentally go to my creepy house. What? Put it right here. Put it at the end of the boat. Yeah, right here. Because if you go into the boat, you have to go, you're going on an adventure. So you're sailing to somewhere else. So yeah. Hey, look at my pet igloo. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Okay. Yeah, put it right here. Yeah, just put it right here. Yeah, to my den. To my den. Okay. Oh my god, I love you.
So this is her side.
I really like this part.
Show them the island.
Island. Oh, I already did. This is the mom. This is a tour of Maya's den. And I only have like 3 more minutes. Yeah, okay. So, I put the puzzle there. Oh my god, diamond carrot. This is random. I felt like putting something there. Okay. Oh my god, Maya. Maya, what happened to your fluorescent walls? Floors and walls. Blue sky and blue vines. Oh, okay. Well, it's supposed to be there. Anyway, that's that part. I accidentally crossed the line. But who cares? It's just a little bit. Okay. And this is that and that. Oh yeah, I kept sending you a bunch of things. I had to make you delete some. Huh? Oh yeah. This eagle game is right here. Yeah. Only eagles can. Okay. Oh, that was so cute. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, there you are. Okay. This is her room, I guess. Yeah. This is a gate. You have to have a password. The password! Okay. Yeah, I guess. This is the garden. Oh my god, the garden is so cute. By the way, I added this porch right here. I put the porch thing. And I put this box in there. Wait, I did? No, I didn't. Yes, I did. You put that there. Wow. Okay. The path over there. If you had like water plushies, you could put it in the water. Or water animals. I don't know. Okay, so this is the koi pond. Maya, go down the cave. These leaves are supposed to fall on you. It's a prank, guys. Okay, there's there's a phantom cage there, and then he's the guard, but he's mad at you. He's the guard for this prison, so because he's mad at you. Okay, anyway. Oh my god, I only have 1 minute. Hurry! So that's that wolf stuff, cave thingy, falling phantoms, the end. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna record again. Yeah, okay, bye.